Subscribe to my channel, The Social Goody, and also hit the bell icon.
Hi guys, I am Simran. Welcome to my channel. And so for today's topic, it is 5-minute makeup challenge plus a styling video of this dress. And so yeah, let's get started with the 5-minute challenge. So I'm just gonna put my timer on, and I just want to tell you guys that I'm not such a pro at makeup games and everything. So this is just my first try, and let's see how it goes. I have all of my makeup products laid in here. I'm just gonna start the timer right now, and let's see how this goes. So I've started the timer. Now I'm just gonna, take some moisturizer and put it on my face. And just excuse me for looking down a lot because my mirror is actually there. So yeah, I'm really nervous for this thing also because a person like me who takes their own sweet time to get ready and everything, this is literally a challenge to get done in minutes. And I've just done my moisturizer. Now I'm just gonna go with my foundation and little bit on the under eye, on this bridge, then some I'm just gonna randomly just put it everywhere where I like. Now I'm just gonna blend it, and also for the blending part I'm gonna use my fingers because it is more convenient for me right now because I just don't know, I should just wait time. What am I even speaking? I don't know. I just don't think that I should waste my time. I'm just gonna go in with it. My forehead looks weird for some reason. Does it look weird? So guys, blend करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा important होता है. If you don't have a proper base and the products are not blended in, it might look very cakey and everything. So just blend in very properly. Please blend in properly. Please pay attention to your under eyes a lot and to the crease of your eyes. There's the part that attracts the most. Now I'm just going to take my palette and put some orange eyeshadow because then it will match my dress. And I'm just going to quickly do it. So I'm not going to waste much time doing all of this because it is a challenge. I don't think I can afford to lose much time right now. So far it looks decent enough, and yeah, I think I like this. Yeah, I like this much amount of it. This is other nail limit. Then it might look very weird. So much orangey. Now I'm gonna do with my liner. I messed up here. I always take my sweet time whenever I'm doing my makeup, and this time I'm just okay. Pretty affordable job it is. I think it's nice. Now I'm just gonna do my brows. So I'm just gonna brush them up, and I just dropped the I don't do much with my brows now because they're already very bushy and I don't want to fill them in. I'm gonna just do my blush. This is like the favorite part. It is so sweet, and can you see the difference already? I just love the blush. Okay, better. Let's just see how much time I have left. I am just left with 26 seconds. Now I'm just gonna literally do my lipstick really fast. And mascara, a little bit of mascara. I just forgot I had to put on now highlighter also. Okay guys, timer बज गया. And I'm just left with my highlighter, but the rest is done, and I think I'm my face and everything, and just had to put the highlighter. Only 2 things were left, but nevertheless, this is how it looks. And I was kind of very nervous with my eyeliner because normally मैं 45 to 1 hour लेती हूँ ready होने में and makeup करने में, because I am doing it at my own pace. I'm taking my own sweet time. मैं fail हुई या pass हुई, तो I think I passed this. Tell me how you guys found this. And now let's get on with our styling video. Officially, this is the last look that I'm gonna show you, in which I've actually just, you know, tied the whole scarf to my hair and made it into a pretty bun kind of a thing, and just, you know, removed some hair from the bun and just the face forming hair. Those are look is so cute. It just looks so nice. मैंने ये पहले क्यों नहीं किया? इतना cute लग रहा है ये. So guys, these were the 3 looks that I wanted to show you, and also I've included a hairstyle in it. The first outfit, which is with the scarf, it goes with the sunny days and everything. The second outfit, which was with the white jeans, it can go on the days where you want to look more put up and, you know, presentable. And for the third look, it is pretty casual. Like you can pair it with a pair of sneakers, denim jacket. Just मतलब flawless लग रही थी वो denim jacket इस dress के ऊपर. बहुत ही अच्छे looks आए थे. And the hairstyle, I just found the hairstyle that was the best, because the way it was looking बहुत pretty लग रहा था, बहुत ज़्यादा pretty. How much are you gonna rate me on my makeup skills in like 5 minutes, which I did? And मेरे को भी बताओ comment section में कि मैंने कैसा किया है. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and also give it a big fat thumbs up, and share this video if you want. Thank you. Bye.